Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is bringing you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone won't receive iPhone messages. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. Since last night, I haven't been receiving text messages from my girlfriend. She uses an iPhone, and I use an Android phone. It seems to have started after she returned to our city from a business trip out of state, so she had airplane mode on at the time, and turned it off after landing. She can receive my texts and send me texts, it's just that I can't receive them. I can send texts to other iPhone users, but not to her. I want to know why my Android isn't receiving texts from iPhones and how to fix it. We understand you might be facing the same problems. Don't panic if your Android phone isn't receiving messages from iPhones. We'll explain why and how to fix it. Cause 1. Incorrect SMS sending format. The solution is to turn off iMessage on your iPhone. If you can't receive SMS messages after switching from an iPhone to an Android phone, the problem might be with iMessage. This could be because you didn't disable iMessage before switching, and while iPhone users are still using iMessage numbers to send messages, you can't receive them on your Android device. In this case, you need to turn off iMessage on your iPhone. This will solve the problem of not receiving iPhone texts on your Android phone. Cause 2. Incorrect network connection. The solution is to check your network. If your Android phone doesn't have a cellular data connection or has an unstable signal, it can cause you to not receive Apple messages. Therefore, you must ensure your Android phone has a good signal to receive SMS messages properly. Additionally, you need to ensure your Android phone is not in airplane mode. Cause 3. Potential problem. The solution is to restart your phone. The simplest solution is to restart your phone, which can often resolve many potential problems. If a potential problem is affecting text message reception, restarting can help fix Android not receiving iPhone texts. This solution is simple. Please follow these steps. Here are the steps to restart your Android phone. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then tap the restart icon or button. Your Android phone will automatically restart to the home screen. You can also find the power off icon or button on the restart screen. Turn off your Android phone, wait about a minute, and then turn it back on. If it's a temporary glitch or a potential problem, restarting your phone can help eliminate the issue. Finally, check again to see if the Android isn't receiving texts from iPhone. Problem is gone. Cause 4. Insufficient balance. The solution is to ensure sufficient balance. When your SIM card balance is insufficient, you may experience the Android phone isn't receiving text messages from iPhone issue. Your carrier may have suspended your SIM card's network, SMS, and call functions. Therefore, please ensure your SIM card has sufficient balance and no outstanding bills. If the problem is caused by insufficient balance, it should be resolved quickly once you ensure you have enough funds. Cause 5. Service outage. The solution is to contact your carrier. If the above solutions are ineffective, the issue of Android phones not receiving texts from iPhone users may be related to your carrier. The carrier may be experiencing a service outage, or your account may have a problem that needs fixing. Therefore, you can call your carrier's customer service for assistance. They will help you check if it's a system issue and help you resolve the problem of receiving texts from your iPhone. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix an Android phone not receiving texts from an iPhone, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.